Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Today we have spinach. This leafy vegetable is a powerful source of energy and health. Spinach is one of the most beneficial vegetables on earth. It's packed with vitamins like A, C, K, and also contains important minerals, calcium, iron, magnesium. Its rich antioxidant composition helps strengthen immunity and reduce inflammation levels in the body, if present. By adding spinach to your diet, you're taking care not only of your own health, but also your family's health. With regular consumption, spinach helps lower cholesterol levels and improve blood circulation. It helps reduce blood pressure due to its high potassium content. Busy office workers and freelancers, who sometimes don't have time to pay attention to their health, can confidently add spinach to their diet, because it's an effective way to protect the cardiovascular system. How is spinach used in cooking? It can be added to a wide variety of dishes, from smoothies and salads to soups and casseroles. It can be used both fresh and frozen. Try making a delicious salad with spinach, nuts and cheese, or add it to an omelette to make your morning breakfast healthy and vibrant. And if you want to diversify your family lunch, a spinach and ricotta casserole would be the perfect option. We assure you that the culinary discoveries will be inspiring. That's all for today, but to be continued.